Hey, I'm Daniel from Charles String. We do trucking insurance, and I also host the Truck Insurance YouTube channel. This video is all about your upcoming insurance renewal. Normally about 45 days out from the end of your policy period, you'll be getting a notification for your upcoming renewal quote. If you're within the 45 days and you haven't seen that yet, you might want to go back through your emails and check. If you've got an agent, not everyone does. You might have gone through like Progressive Direct, but if you've got an agent, they might be reaching out. So you can talk to them about it and maybe get quotes from other companies too. That's something we can help with. Not every agent has access to every single insurance company out there that does trucking, so it doesn't hurt to look and check. There's links below if you want to get some quotes from us for that, as well as if you'd like us to help with your current policy and the upcoming renewal, we can do that too. We've made it super simple. But I wanted to talk about like a couple things we see most often with these renewals. Number one is discounts. Like a lot of people miss out on discounts. The two biggest ones are the ELD discount, like for your electronic logs, right? Like a lot of people don't realize that you can get discounts for that. And that's an easy one, all right? It can go as high as 20%. It's not super easy to get 20%, but it's possible. And that's a lot of money depending on how much premium you got. And then EFT or auto draft. You might not be into doing the auto draft thing, but it can be a pretty substantial discount. And like, something you kind of got to pay. So like if you can get in a position to make sure it's on auto draft and not worry about it, like that can help out a lot, especially with the discount, right? The other thing that we come up on people should be doing at renewal is going over their current coverages. A lot of people have stuff that maybe throughout the policy year you added on, or maybe even just started the policy with thinking you were going to need it, but you don't need it now. So in general, go over all your coverages and make sure you actually have just what you need. I hate to see people pay for things that they're not, like, it doesn't even apply to their operations, or it's something that is too much coverage, right? It's something to go over, and we can help you with that as well. We're happy to talk about it. A big one though right now is truck values. Like a lot of people don't realize this, but you might have a truck right now that is worth a lot more today than it was when you got it. So, and that doesn't always, like, it's not always awesome, because if we have to increase values to cover what your truck is worth, then it can mean your rate's going to go up. But you know, let's say you're missing discounts, we have to increase the truck value a little bit, like it's a wash, or maybe you still save some money, or it doesn't go up too much. So that's nice, right? The other thing is drivers. So a lot of time you might have added a driver at some point and forgot to take them off. That can cause your rate to go up when you add drivers, right? Especially if they have anything on their driving record. So when we come up for renewal, just double check, make sure you don't have any drivers listed that's no longer with your company. Get those off the policy. That's some ways to really like save some money. If you want to switch to our agency, like it doesn't cost you anything. There's no extra cost. It doesn't increase rates, anything like that. It's super simple. We've made it the easiest possible. We have one form. It gets sent off to Progressive as soon as you fill it out. And then that gives our agency access to your policy. We'll be taking over managing it. And then if you want additional quotes, we can help you with that from other companies. See if there's something more competitive. You know, reasons to switch for us other than just managing your policy. Like, we have a lot of resources, right? If you go to our website, charlesstring.com, check it out. It's pretty awesome. The other thing is our systems, right? So you can send out your own certificates. A lot of people can do that. We also have a new mobile app. So we're really easy to do business with, and there's only 4 of us here. So it's not like you have to talk to a bunch of different people every time, and then it's also not like you have just one person that you're completely dependent on. All 4 of us use one phone line, one email inbox, and we all know what's going on across every account pretty much all the time, because we're all synced up. Like, it's me cloned 3 other times essentially, right? It works really well for us. There's other resources on our website too if you want to check out like our affiliate partners. Like, we've gone through and vetted a lot of vendor companies throughout the industry, and we kind of partner up with the best ones, mainly because like our success is dependent on our clients' success. So if we can help point people in the right direction for good vendors, then it's more likely everyone succeeds. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can always email back, schedule calls with us, submit quotes, all that. Check the links below. If you haven't checked out the YouTube channel yet, like and subscribe. We appreciate that. There's a lot more content coming. Thank you. Have a good one.